This is where the benefit of this lighter front end with the MotoSwiss 320 millimeter front rotor really helps. I can apply braking without it nose diving. Go visit MotoSwiss online and you can browse the different bikes that they carry options for. And I went simply to the Tenere page, and as you can see, they have different options for their packages that they sell. And the biggest benefit that MotoSwiss has is they have the bracket, the magical bracket that will allow you to install the 320 millimeter rotor and still use your factory OEM brake caliper. So you can go from 2 discs down to 1, and even that 320 millimeter disc is still lighter than one of those factory discs. Huge improvement. Highly recommend you guys check them out. So this is the bracket that attaches to your fork through the factory bolts, which this is what you should be using. And then using what I just showed you, the caliper then uses this, and the little clip for the brake pads goes in here, and you slide this on. Once I put that post, I'm taking off the caliper attachment point and putting that onto here, and then this will slide right onto there, and the post will be on the other side, and that will attach it onto the fork, and that's it. All right, to get the 320 kit on, this is from the caliper, from the Tenere. You have to take this off of the factory caliper. You need a size 11 socket. I'm using the vise to hold it down. Take that off, and we're going to transfer this along with this clip for the pads onto the new adapter so that it will fit the caliper over and around the 320 millimeter rotor. EDC brakes. Titanium bolts. Rotor bolts in gold. Just going to present them. This is the new ABS. Little sensor, I think it's a speed sensor for the bike too. This is the old one. It's all rusted out. Just kind of presenting everything here. Make sure everything fits. Whew, that's a big one. Damn. And look at the size of that thing. Huge difference. Now comes the test of all tests. Now we're going to put in the brake fluid and see if this YZF 450 brake master cylinder and my new 320 millimeter rotor all work. All the lines are on. Now it's time to put in some fluid and start bleeding some brakes. to take off the master cylinder cap here, pour fluid from here. Then I have actually a kit that will pump fluid brand new brake fluid. So far nothing leaking out the top. Definitely got bubbles. Just want to get some fluid into the system. Break out the brake kit here. Brake bleeding system, or brake bleeding kit. All right, gonna try to bleed these brakes out and be back.